If you're seeing Figma Error 21, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes you can try right now to get Figma working again. This error is usually related to your internet connection, browser, app performance, or a network restriction blocking Figma from connecting properly. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot it step by step. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and software tutorials. Let's get straight into it. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can trigger Figma Error 21, so make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly. If possible, switch to a different network or try using a mobile hotspot just to see if the problem goes away. This is a fast way to test whether your current connection is the issue. Next, if you're using the Figma desktop app, close any extra tabs or files you have open. Too many active projects or background processes can sometimes cause the app to behave incorrectly. If that doesn't help, fully restart the Figma desktop app and open it again fresh. A simple restart often clears temporary glitches and lets the app reconnect properly. If you use Figma in your browser, the next thing to try is clearing your browser cache. Over time, cached files and old session data can interfere with how Figma loads. Go into your browser settings, clear the cache and cookies if needed, then sign back into Figma and check if the error is gone. This small step often fixes loading and connection issues on the web version. Another important fix is to turn off your VPN or network proxy temporarily. VPNs and proxies can sometimes block the secure connection Figma needs, especially if they're filtering traffic or changing your region. Disable them for a moment, reload Figma, and see if the app or browser version starts working normally. If Figma loads after that, you found the cause. Now, if you're on a work or school network, there may be a firewall or admin restriction causing Error 21. In that case, ask your network administrator to unblock port 443 and allow secure WebSocket traffic. Figma relies on secure connections to stay synced, and if those connections are blocked, the app may fail to connect properly. This is especially common on managed networks with strict security settings. You should also whitelist Figma.com in your firewall settings. If your firewall is treating Figma like an unsafe connection, it may stop the app from loading or syncing correctly. Adding Figma.com to the allowed list can fix the error and prevent it from happening again. Once you've tried these steps, reopen Figma and test it again. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem right away. If not, go back through the list and try them one at a time so you can identify exactly which issue is affecting your setup. So to recap, check your internet connection or try a mobile hotspot, close extra tabs or restart the Figma desktop app, clear your browser cache, turn off VPN or proxy settings, ask your admin to unblock port 443 and secure WebSocket traffic, and whitelist Figma.com in your firewall. Those are the main fixes for Figma Error 21, and they should help you get back to designing without the frustration. If this tutorial helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a quick fix like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.